Internet is moving from the computer really to single devices in all parts of our lives. What we see today is that already today we have, let's say, roughly 11 billion of connected devices already worldwide on the market. All of this will change the behavior, this will change our life, and what we can say already today, smart home is becoming a standard also in our building market. We can say today that smart home market is becoming more and more a standard for new buildings, especially for residential buildings, as well as for the market of renovation. We're looking very positive also to the future developments, because all products which are presented here, when I speak about My Home App, which is an easy to program home automation system, when I go to Smarter, a fully integrated Elio thermostat. Finally, I would like to point out Valena Live, very interesting that those products in the future will be fully controllable via voice, via Apple HomeKit. This is something what the market is really requested. So all of these aspects will bring us good growth opportunities also for the future.
Smarter, that is the connected thermostat of Legrand. Smarter has been designed to be minimalist in the home, so in harmony with your home. With Smarter, it's possible to control the temperature directly from it with a simple function, but of course it's a connected thermostat. This permits us to provide to the end user the a complete experience about the temperature, so controlling directly the temperature from the device, from the app, and now also with voice.
Legrand Integrated Solution is an organization with the scope to support a system integrator and Legrand subsidiary anytime that they need integration between different systems. We are able to integrate systems to cover any kind of functionality inside of the building, residential, commercial, marine, and in the same time we are able to cover different functionality, lighting control first, but also or any other kind of solutions that usually are needed inside the buildings. Works in Legrand is a special program dedicated to third-party and system integrator or university to integrate their product or service using a Legrand product with different levels of integration, using APIs, using low-level protocol integration. This kind of customers or partners are able to use our system to create more added value services and programs.
Here we show the Legrand guest room management system. We provide two main features. First of all is the operational efficiency we can provide to the hotel management and investors in terms of energy saving and operational efficiency for staff and so on. Secondly, we provide a solution which is very user-friendly thanks to the use of very intuitive products, and up to a solution we developed with Samsung which let the guest control the full room directly from the TV.
This new offer called Valena Life, Valena Allure with Netatmo is a really revolution of simplicity with a very innovative way to install and to use your connected home. So we present switches that do not necessitate any new wire outlets. It's really a big innovation on the market because the outlets are fully compatible with existing boxes. It's really something on which we are alone on the market. All these products are associated with scenario buttons, buttons for I leave home, I am back home, I wake up, I go to bed. On top of this, we present also new interoperability with thermostat, camera, door entry system to provide a full ecosystem for the home in one single app, to provide a global experience for the smart home, thanks to Legrand.
What's new with phone? Today you can get signal wirelessly, but also now power wirelessly with Legrand charger. It's an exclusivity. You can find this charger for partition, vertically, robust area, design area, or also furniture, also embedded inside the infrastructure. Because everybody is using a smartphone, everybody has to connect to charge. So it's why Legrand is doing infrastructure charger. You can put several in the house, several in your offices. So today, standard is A-type. Tomorrow, it will be C-type. It's why we will have the A plus C charger to adapt to new standard, and then on Legrand we'll have a double C charger because at least everybody will connect in type C.
For electrical distribution, we present this year the distribution board and protection devices, and the new one, which is the stop arc. So it's an arc fault detection device to protect the circuit in case of arc on the line. Connected solution with the electric vehicles charging station that you, with a smartphone application, manage your charge and see the consumption. Also, energy management system, MS6 Cube. So it's a system to measure, to control and command all the devices in the distribution board and to supervise all the data and all the measure via a web server.
We present all the innovation of digital infrastructure. So the LCS3 range with enclosure and the patch panels in copper and in fiber optical with a lot of innovation, especially the new LCS3 connector you can find in category 8, category 6A, category 6. So you don't need any tools, it's very easy to install, very easy to do maintenance on it with the new cassette, very easy to open the cassette in order to work, very efficiency solution, scalable and performance for LCS3.
Legrand presents the new modular three-phase UPS, Chaos Mode. Chaos Mode is an innovative product, innovative UPS, but not only technology, also design. It is composed by power module. Each power module is 25 kilowatt. The efficiency of this product is up to 96.8%. It's possible also to connect in parallel up to 24 power modules in order to offer up to 600 kilowatt solution. Chaos Mode is available in two different versions. The first version from 1 up to 5 power module. Second version is available to fit inside up to 10 power module in order to offer up to 250 kilowatt in the same cabinet.
Here, the place to present lighting control solutions through two brands. Legrand brands as generalist and also CP Electronics brands as a specialist specifically for project approach. For the first part, for Legrand brand, our range for lighting sensor and motion sensor, we are completing to provide an optimized solution for every kind of space. We present also a new coming commissioning tool, which is based on a configuration gateway to be used with an app running on the smartphone. Thanks to this new commissioning tool, it is possible to read and write all settings in each sensors. It's possible to manage all configuration files in storing them, in share them, and also in compare them.
CP Electronics is the specialist in lighting control solutions in the Legrand group of companies. We develop solutions that go from the standalone presence detectors, OEM sensors, to the fully addressable lighting control systems. Especially cost-effective for industrial, commercial, and public buildings. We can control any light source, any area, in any type of building.
The new P31 cable tray range has been conceived in order to simplify the life of all the actors in a project. For instance, starting for the conception, the Revit files, will help to design roads in a beam environment. The P31 cable tray has an automatic function based on a male-female connection, which permits to use no tool to connect two lengths together. Also, as we believe that the quick identification of the product, we have defined a color code to differentiate the different finish of the cable tray. In workspaces, there is a trend today that the perimeter goes from the floor and from the ceiling and not from the perimeter. So that's why we have developed a new range of aesthetical columns to be as close as possible to the end user. This range has many versions, as mini columns, flexible columns until standard columns, up to 8 meters. We have many finishes as color as white, metal and black.